Edward here. Just want to shoot this quick video and talk about the free training that I'm going to give you access to on the second page of this funnel. I've just literally put this funnel together today. You can get access to this entire funnel. You're going to love it. Full-blown training. This is what I want to teach people, because sometimes when you put out free training and you're putting out obviously free content, but you want to put out that premium stuff, there's only so much free that you can actually give out. But guys, the kind of value that you're going to get on in the inside is huge. But what I've done with this funnel, and you're going to love it, and as you can see here, it says how a shy, introverted English teacher living in Japan built a 6-figure income online, an online business in 20 months. Guys, I'm dyslexic. I live in a part of the world where most people don't even speak my language. I've made this work. I'm earning a 6-figure income. In Live Good, which is my primary business, I have earned over $160,000 within Live Good alone. But that's not including my other income streams. I do promote tools, as on this channel, on this very channel, I'm earning with the tools that I put out there. But what's important, what's really, really vital to understand is that the tools are, in my opinion, essential for the journey that I'm on, for the journey that I want you to be a part of. It's the curriculum. It's guys, I have a teacher's background, and I understand that a curriculum requires supplementary material. I'm all about visuals and supplementary material and add-ons and extras. How else are you going to learn? And I see people just struggling after struggling after struggling. And that's this industry. People struggle. And I know the areas where people struggle. That's why I set this YouTube channel up, because I want you to succeed. I want you to get access to the whole curriculum. So there's only a certain amount of free stuff that I'm going to be able to give out, but you're going to be able to get access to that on the second page. And the beauty of this funnel that you can also rebrand and duplicate, and you'll see how to do that on the next page. You're going to be able to access not only the free training here, as I say, but you're going to be able to discover how you can, not only how you can do it yourself, but also plus learn how to earn up to 80% commissions with a proven system. And that's what I'm talking about, guys. The premium access to stuff that I couldn't feasibly, even if I wanted to, and I do want to, honestly. Guys, think about it. If you don't know me, for those of you who don't know me, I've put out a lot of share codes on my channel, duplicatable, done-for-you content, graphics that you can get access to, and all that is premium content. But there's only so much that I can feasibly give out, because at the end of the day, sometimes we just can't keep going. At the end of the day, why are we here? We're here to make money, and I want to see you making money. So on the inside, I'm going to give you access to a platform that I'm excited about, that I'm promoting, and I have been promoting. It's called the Mentors Club. It's called the Viral Mentors Club that you can get access to, and it's owned and operated by my good friend Tyson Curtis, and it teaches you all this stuff. So you get access, you get mentored, you get everything that you need that I've been able to do on social media to crank up my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok. I've really started to crank things up on TikTok, and my Instagram's really starting to grow. Here on YouTube, for example, I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. So I'm really, really pleased about what I'm able to do with the stuff that I'm going to be able to teach you, but also take things up a whole higher level for you guys, so that you can get access to the mentoring. That's what I want to give you access to. And on social media, on Facebook, I'm as you can see, I put up a lot of reels and I get a lot of views. A lot of this actually gets shared. People are sharing my content as well, not just the views, not just the hits, not just the comments. I mean, take this for example. So everything that I used to make this video was free. Free mobile apps, for example, AI tools, everything. And I teach this stuff as well. But guys, you're going to learn how to do a lot of this stuff and a lot more. 131 shares from this video alone. People sharing my videos. So, I mean, this is the stuff that I'm interested in. This is the stuff that I like doing, and it's creative, and you can do it. You're not paying any money. You're not really spending any money. You don't have to. There's a lot of tools that you can do all this stuff for free that gets you out there, that gives you the exposure. For me, YouTube, ever since when I got back into the industry several years ago, YouTube has been my number one platform for getting signups into my various businesses. So as many of Live Good is my primary business. Now, this funnel isn't just for Live Good people. You can have access to this funnel on the inside, and you can partner up with me in the Viral Mentors Club. But we've got 1.6 million active members in Live Good, and I'm 29 on the leaderboard. I'm in the top 30. What does that mean? It means that whatever I'm doing obviously is working, and that's what I want to teach you. So I want you to become a part of our Viral Mentors Club. It's not my system, it's not my platform, but my good friend Tyson Curtis and I'm part of the platform. We meet every single day, multiple times a day. We'll take care of you. You're there to learn and get access to the training and everything that you need to up your game. What it's all about is how to go viral, how to get yourself out there, get yourself exposed, get traffic, get hits. That's what we need. I want to see you on the top of the leaderboards of whatever company you're a part of. I want to see you building your downline, building your team, and I want you to be able to have the confidence to be able to teach your downline to do that as well. That's what it's all about. So this funnel is not only giving out free value on the inside for good reason, but there's only so much I can give out. And that's why I'm putting it as part of this back-end funnel. In the back end of this system, you can get 80% commissions by being a part of the Viral Mentors Club. So not only are you going to get free training, but you'll get access to Viral Mentors Club, and you'll see the coupon code in there that gives you 90% discount. Wow, for the first month. So take me up on this, guys. And with 80% commissions, that means you're going to get into profit just with your second person. So you get your first person in there, you get your second person in there, you're in profit. Simple as that. And the whole point about this whole funnel that you're going to be able to rebrand as well is that with joining the Viral Mentors Club, is we're teaching you the very stuff that's going to get you these people. It's going to get you out there. So your first month, you're only paying like 10% of what you would pay month after month. The reason why I'm telling you this, I'm not saying that people always think, oh, is it free? I want it free. If it's free, I'll join. Guys, I'm not looking for people like that. I'm looking for serious people who understand that you can't get the all important necessary mentoring for free. It's just not feasible. Nobody's going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I have my kids to look after. I've got my own things. I got my private life to think about. So I haven't got the time to mentor people. But by being a part of a solid platform that pays 80% commissions, that incentivizes the team to really support you and to get you the very necessary training that you need. That's what we're here to do. I'm not going to sugarcoat this and trying to think, oh, well, you had to pay a little bit of money here. Guys, this is what you need. I'm telling you, this is what you need. This is like the curriculum. So get access and do it, man, because what I'm seeing is that with 80% commissions, even if you just brought in, say, 30 people because the training actually worked and it actually does what it says on the tin and it gets you those people on board, it gets you that engagement. Let's say you just had 30 people and that's it. You just sit back and just from that point on, just take a little back step. You just got 30 people on board with the Viral Mentors Club. You'd be earning $2,400 per month residual income right there. And look what I was able to do with Live Good. I've personally sponsored 371 people, and that wasn't really that hard. When you're really fired up and the tips and tricks, what works, the methods, the tools, you're learning. You're part of a club. You're part of a team. You're part of a mentoring group. You start to learn stuff. I mean, honestly, this system is not a hard sell, and you're going to get the funnel here as well, so you can give away free value, and what you're really doing is you're selling something on the inside, on the back end, and you're earning 80% commissions. So you'll get this funnel as well. I don't give it out publicly, but when you join me in the Viral Mentors Club, I will give you this entire funnel, not just the lead capture page, but all the follow-up messages that I've created and you'll get all the graphics on the inside. You'll get the full free course that you can give away for free as part of this funnel. And then you can just rebrand it with your Viral Mentors Club link so that you can brand this whole thing. And this is monetized for you as a single funnel system right in a box. It's like setting you up with a business in a box. But not only that, it teaches you the necessary curriculum. It gives you access to the entire curriculum that you get live mentoring and training on the inside every single day, as and when you need it, where you can ask questions. That's going to help you to build the business that you're doing. That's what we're teaching you to do, is just to build and go viral, and to learn the strategies and tips and tricks, because social media is always changing and we need to get ahead of it. And we are. You'll learn AI tools, you'll learn TikTok, you'll learn Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You'll learn it all, and you'll be able, not only are you learning it, you're able to ask questions, because that's where it gets valuable. Really, really valuable. I needed that. I needed to ask questions. We get to a plateau. We feel we can't go any further. But I realized what I needed was a place where I could actually ask questions. And also, I'm not looking for someone who's really way up there as a guru. I need someone to mentor me who's just a few steps ahead. And that's where I see where I am. I am earning 6 figures with my primary business, and that's not including the other business that I'm involved in. But I'm a shy introverted. I'm an ex-English teacher. I quit my job just over, well over a year ago now. And I'm full-time running an online business, earning 6 figures. And so if I can do this, anyone can do this. I'm dyslexic. I didn't finish university. So I know if I can do this, you guys can do it. And I'm putting you a part of a system that's going to help you do that. I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now. Click the link below and get access. Thanks, guys. Cheers. See you on the inside. Bye for now.